In this video, we will explore the numerous health benefits of lemon, this small yet powerful citrus fruit that is packed with virtues for our well-being. From simple lemon juice to cosmetic uses and cleaning properties, lemon is a versatile ally in enhancing our overall health. Originating from Asia, lemon has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts our immune system and helps combat free radicals responsible for premature aging. Regular consumption of lemon juice can, therefore, protect us from diseases and infections. In addition to its immune-boosting benefits, lemon is also a digestive aid. Its citric acid content stimulates bile production in the liver, which promotes better digestion of food and relieves digestive issues such as bloating and heartburn. Lemon is renowned for its detoxifying effects as well. It acts as a natural cleanser for our body by flushing out toxins accumulated in our system. Drinking warm water with lemon juice in the morning on an empty stomach is an excellent habit to purify our system and improve our skin from within. Speaking of skin, lemon is a key ingredient in our beauty routine. Thanks to its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, it can be used to treat acne, reduce dark spots, and brighten the complexion. However, it is important to dilute it with water or other ingredients before applying it to the skin, as its acidity may cause irritations in some individuals. For our hair, lemon can also work wonders. By mixing lemon juice with coconut oil, for example, we can create a nourishing mask that hydrates our scalp, eliminates dandruff, and adds shine to our hair. Its antifungal properties also help combat scalp issues, such as itching and infections. Lemon is also an excellent ally for those looking to lose weight in a healthy way. Its low calorie and sugar content make it an ideal option for seasoning dishes without adding empty calories. Furthermore, its diuretic properties help eliminate excess fluids from the body, thus reducing water retention. Another surprising use of lemon is as a natural deodorizer. Its fresh and citrusy fragrance can neutralize unwanted odors in the kitchen, enclosed spaces, and even on our skin. It is a natural, chemical-free alternative to conventional air fresheners. Beyond its health benefits, lemon can also be used for its cleaning properties around the house. Its antiseptic power makes it an excellent disinfectant for surfaces, while its acidity can help remove stubborn stains from clothing or carpets. Although lemon offers numerous health advantages, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Its acidity can damage tooth enamel and cause heartburn in some sensitive individuals. Additionally, its topical use can make our skin more sensitive to the sun, so it is important to avoid excessive sun exposure after application. In conclusion, lemon is a true treasure trove of health benefits for our overall well-being. From its immune-boosting properties to cosmetic uses and cleaning capabilities, it offers us a multitude of reasons to incorporate it into our daily lives. So, don't hesitate to add this small yet powerful citrus fruit to your diet and beauty routine to enjoy all its health benefits in a tasty and natural way.